This morning we're going to be testing the Minelab SDC 2300 pulse induction 100% waterproof compact metal detector. What separates the SDC 2300? A few things: specimens, small gold, jewelry, meteorites, beach hunting at a price that a lot more people can afford. Very simple. 2 knobs, a push button for your tracking, noise cancel, threshold on the right hand side. So we're going to turn it on. Start out at the green on your sensitivity. That was your power button. It's on. And you can hear her humming. Ready to go. Always try to have that threshold going. Remember, your threshold. That's this right here. Louder. And then when I get to the top, I push it again. It went all the way back down. Now you hear how it's kind of broken and staccato right now? You have to have it higher than that. You hear how it's nice and smooth now? That's what you want, a nice smooth threshold.
What do you run your sensitivity at usually?
I'm going to try to get as max sensitivity I can. I'm not getting much falsing, so I've got it set up to 5. Notice my threshold is smooth and quiet. Okay, if you're getting a lot of a waver, we might turn that sensitivity down. I like a little waver. See, there's a little wave. Now, if I was to hunt tiny nuggets, which this can, I wouldn't run it at 5. I might only run it at 3 because I'm trying to hear that little break in the waver. But I'm looking for the big ones out here, so I'm going to crank that up a little bit, get more depth. So when we're out here in these tailing piles, here's what we're looking for. These right here, folks. Now this happens to be just shy of a pound. 11.8 ounce Troy, loaded with gold. It'd be sitting there in that pile of rocks. You wouldn't even know it. You find a quartz rock like that, that could have been it right there. That could have been it. But it's not. Oh my gosh. That's why we hunt these piles, because that's where you're going to find these bigger pieces. There again, you toss that thing out there, it just looks like another rock. So this is 13.8 Troy ounces. And you can see the squiggly lines all through it. And the thing is when you're trying to find these pieces, now this has got a big conglomerate right there. And when you see that, you're going to get much greater depth with this. And I will say that my 5000 will pick this particular one up further away. If you want a detector that you can enjoy in the water, you don't have to be strapped in and hooked up to it, the SDC 2300 just might be the detector for you.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.